Hello, kindergarten writers. Let's take out our pink Writers Workshop folder and let's begin. Today we have a fun question, and I'm sure that all of you have been thinking a lot about this because Christmas is just around the corner. So our question today is, what is the best gift to get? Think about that for a moment and then decide. Here are some options: a teddy bear, a doll, or a truck. And now you get to explain what you think the best gift to get would be. So, for me, I did not choose anything that they offered. I chose something else. And what I chose was coffee. You guys know that. Coffee is my favorite. Okay, so I began by restating the question and giving my opinion. Coffee is the best gift to get. I think it is the best because I love to drink coffee and it keeps me warm. And then I concluded with stating my opinion. Coffee is the best gift for me. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing. You're going to write what your idea or your opinion is. What is the best gift to get you? And write why you think that's the best gift, and then finish up by restating your opinion. Have fun writing.